Hey guys, today I wanted to make a quick little video and show you how to get free shipping materials for your asset recovery business using the USPS store. But first, before I get into that, again, I just want to say thank you for all the people who have liked the video, left comments, shared them with friends, left a PayPal, a Venmo, a Cash App donation. Those mean a lot to me. In addition to that, too, I know in some of my other videos I've talked about me wanting to fly out to some lucky person city and help them set up their cold calling station, their shipping station. And I'm still in the process of deciding that. And so what I'd like you guys to do, if you guys are interested, is send a video explaining why you should be that person that I choose, and send that to support@surplusfunds101.com. We're going to be looking over all those videos over the next probably week and then pulling the trigger on somebody that we want. So make sure you get those videos in, but without further ado, let's get right into this. You guys, in the asset recovery business, at least right now, until a lot of the municipalities allow us to start using digital contracts, we still have to ship a lot of stuff between notaries and the state. So with the USPS website, this makes it really, really affordable for everybody. And I bet you guys didn't know you could get this stuff for free. So you just literally, you go to the USPS website, you create an account, it's absolutely for free, okay? And then there's all sorts of free stuff, okay? They're gonna send you shipping materials absolutely for free. You just have to pay for the shipping and handling, the tax on, which is barely anything, okay? So what you'd wanna do, let's go to shop, shipping supplies. Okay, now there's a lot of stuff that they're going to be able to give you guys. Most of it you won't need at all. So I'm going to show you the two items that are like the staple in my shipping station. So right here it is the priority flat rate envelope, 12 by a half, and then 9.5. See, it's $0. And that is the one that I have the notary package all of the completed documents up for the claim package and send off to the state. This cardboard one, or this flat one, it goes right inside this padded molly mailer, or I know they call it a a poly mailer. But anyways, this goes right inside there, and then you would put a stamp on the outside. This package would go to the notary. Boom. And I have other videos going a lot more in depth about exactly how to do that. But as you can see, here's my shopping cart. Total, boom, boom. So it's really, really cool, you guys. If you guys haven't created a USPS store account, I highly, highly suggest you guys do that. I'll leave a link in the description for the website where you guys can just go right here. But other than that, you guys have a great day and take care.